Well, I'm excited to share this one with you. This is made by APEXEL. And what this is a 120 power observation lens right here that attaches to your camera. And so you can take pictures, videos using your camera with 120 power magnification. Woo! This is so neat. Let me just kind of show you how this works and what it comes with here. So let me just put this down for a second. This is the lens cap here. So when in storage, this just screws right on. And so when it comes out of the package, this will be on. So make sure you unscrew that. So we'll start from fresh. And here is the device that just goes over your camera. So slides right over, and then your lens eye or your camera lens eye is going to be at this point right here. It's like with this camera here, here is my camera lens. So what I'll do is just this stretches across, and as you'll notice, there is a little screw up top here. Loosen that screw up, and then this slides, and then you can move this to wherever your camera lens is. So that is completely movable. So that is how that device attaches to your phone. Now, one option, there's some little pads here. So, depending upon the fit of your phone, you could do a little steel and you just peel the two-way tape and you could apply it, on the inside, wherever, if your phone doesn't fit correctly. Mine just works right as is like this. But another option to use this, I should mention, charging it, very simple, comes with the charging cable, and that just goes right here. Plug it in, charges right up. Now, you can also remove this, and then there's an eyepiece. So you could put the eyepiece on and then use it like, look through it like this. Now, with 120 magnification, you gotta be very steady. So, but again, all you do is it just screws right into the base here, as such. And then to turn it on, there is a power button on the side. We'll just long press that, and then it turns on. You'll see it has a nice light. And then there's another M button on the side here. When we hit the M, that's going to change the different lighting modes. So lots of different options. There's 5 different modes. So, but let me show you. I looked inside some soil, my worm farm, and I'll show you that. And then we'll take a look at a coin just to kind of show you what this looks like. As you can see, that is a extremely small mite on a leaf. This is so cool just to see all the little, almost microscopic insects. Here's another great use. I am looking at a dime, and that is a coin. And you could really look at a coin at this magnified level. So that's just another use for this great camera, is just looking at coins